Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, and already know the thing set. Bless. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon the beat, and as you can see upon the screen, we have a whole heap to discuss in this video, so it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. So let's just kick it off with the KIPRICH, Kizzy, and Miss Chinjama. As you can see, she said, "Hey, that girl, your head biggie," and him soon start bust her up. Just give me some time, because the two of them are going to come chat up. You see, man, some people putting in the comment section what you think about that, because she went on to say, "Oh, Marlon, big up everybody that helped, took care of his daughter." And you know, Mecca got to graduation, but him never big up God. You know what I mean? And you know, Miss Chin is big on that because, you know, she did get baptized. What there, yeah, you know, so that's why we never see her and things, isn't it? And now she wanted to clarify some things about Kanisha. You see, I said his ex-wife. People said that there was warring, and she said that's furthest from the truth. Her daughter migrated, so she never had no phone yet. So she did have to call him ex-wife and things. But she are just a wife, and you know, she a baby mother, so a bear bagger, and things kick off with Marlon, and you don't know the things said. And you know, she's letting the people them know that their daughter is thin. You know what I mean? She don't look like him. You see, I say, nor Kizzy done. You see it? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. And I guess, you know, KIPRICH is contacting her, tell her to cool down. So she's saying, you know, Marlon, me say you're selfish, you see. Anything you see me post, yeah, so where me can talk publicly. Because if I want to tell you anything too personal, I can WhatsApp you. You know what I mean? But me, I post this and not care. And if you want to vex with me, well, you're selfish. You see, I say, because you tell me you don't want your daughter grow around no stepfather, but yet still you bring, you know, me pitney around a 1,000 woman. You know what I mean? You're selfish and unfair to her, you see me? And you know, she says she tried to hold it on as a good mother and never bring no man round, you know, her daughter when them did leave and things. And even talk about the time when, you know, he was cheating on her and she, you know, rolled up to the studio and found him with 2 girls and them have to take with themselves because him know say, you know, him can't ramp around with them. You know what I mean? I'm not going to read out all of these things, and you can press pause and read them yourself. You see, I say, as you know, these people have some history on social media when it comes to the bagginess. As you can see, we still have the old WhatsApp messages that he posted of hers. You see, I say, from them time them. You know what I mean? But it start up back again. You see, I say, so only just keep it locked around you, so because you know, say, we're going to get the exclusive them. Because you know, Miss Chin is my homegirl. You know what I mean? And we did have some conversations with KIPRICH at one time, isn't it?
You can't talk to. Just forget the mission part. I can't talk to. Remember, 8 years me you differ. And boy, if me talk some things where you tell me to blood clot, then you not go have no friend. You not go have no family. Jesus Christ. I really don't want to do you this skip. Don't make this go no further. Me go low you. Me text you and say me I beg you fuck or text you fuck or buy a fuck or whatever.
It's going to be interesting, you know, because I don't know if I just press pause and read the stuff that she put in her IG story. But she was mentioning, you know, when her daughter migrated, she had to call KIPRICH, I guess, wife phone to contact these people. And I'm like, yeah, what happened to
KIPRICH? Knows so only for things me can't talk about.
No, we see him wife though.
Come here, you did there for 8 blood clot years. You sure you want to go the route, babes? Why you sit down in your bed? Why you lay down tonight and just hold a mates? I call the phone a foreign. I never have the number for my daughter, I know, so I have to call your wife to my child. And that privilege has been taken away from me. Me and him mother dey on the phone almost every day. Because since me and him left, me and her turn big friend. And me and her on the phone, and the next day, my daughter said, "Mommy, I have something to tell you." I said, "What that, KK?" I graduated today. That favor? And me if I tell you, I should I KK tell you, either your mother, jealous over me, you ball like a bitch all the time. Low no. Just give up and know say fuck it. It could be like me not have a child. My message the man by WhatsApp, you know. I remember my mother said, "Where are you walking?" Till people say, "Yeah, I'm baby mother." I don't need to walk and do that because I'm pretty no blood clot and my skin clean.
Yeah, put in the comment section what you think about that. Like I said, I just was anticipating Miss Chin coming back from a long time, you know. You know what I mean? But she right on time, isn't it? Okay, time for some mix up with Dancehall Queen Spice. Cause you know every year them give her a youth, you know. Send us a Spice, a breed based off of, you know, these video footage with her, you know, at her son's 18th birthday party. People putting in the comment section, what do you think about that? I'm gonna be honest with you, I see it. I never see it when I was watching these videos. But as you can see in front of you, this is what the center sent them. Says Spice is pregnant. We posted it. People say, I know I lie. Sender says, see a different angle. You know what I mean? And the sender went in to talk about fear own, you know, physique and say, you know, fear thing big and slap-sided. So Spice definitely have the breathing thing. You know what I mean? And it look like says she are pushing and a sucking at different moments. You see, man, some people, I'm going to be honest with you, whether she is or not, it's a good look. You see, man, because she look good in her suit, you know what I mean? But I don't know why people catch heart attack when people say, you know, you look like you're breathing. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? When somebody is breathing, you're pushing out life, so that's a good thing. You know what I mean? But some people just miserable out here, you know. You know what I mean? Anyway, people, let's proceed because with the next bagger with Spice. Because, you know, we do a review upon my Mix-Up and Things channel yesterday saying, you know, Spice is trying to outsmart RT Boss and the court system by buying oats for her son and all of these expensive gifts that she can afford to buy her son. But we know what time it is because RT Boss about to slap some liens on our property to recoup, you know, the damages. You know what I mean? You can't be going around with hearsay and defame people business. And Spice is famous worldwide. So she's going to be hit with millions of dollars. And that's why she's been avoiding the judge order to come see them. Yeah, because she got hit with the summons 2 months ago on June 27. And we're going on in August, September right now. You know what I mean? So she's doing stuff behind the scenes like, oh, Tasha K. Did I play Cardi B all them time? Yeah, right, because why hasn't Spice responded to RT Boss? She doesn't even have to go to court. She can just send her lawyers them to deal with it, isn't it? And maybe when you can put in the comment section, you know, how does this thing go when you serve the court paper in Atlanta by, you know, the court officers to show up in the court? You know what I mean? Because it doesn't look good when you don't, you know, take the court serious. You know, then the court just enters a default judgment against you.
But I'm just gonna let you open 2 more gifts, okay? So this one, we're gonna start with this one, and then the other one is gonna be this one. Let's see what Nicholas is opening. What is it, Nicholas? Huh?
It's a house?
I bought you a house.
What?
I bought you a house for your birthday.
Whoa.
I'm not kidding you, I'm serious.
Millions, my dog.
So serious. I'm serious. Just a millions. What's up? Millions. I bought you a house. Like for real.
Yo, check. Yo, check. Yo, check. Yo.
No, the next trending thing, Mr. Trending with Jamaican people is this fitness trainer. He bought a chicken patty and, you know, bit into it and was chewing on a latex glove. You know, I mean, he thought it was an onion or some type of seasoning, and it was not. A lot of people saying it's a skit in my door because it would have melted out in the patty. But I'm not sure that latex glove would have melted out in the patty. You know what I mean? But let's take a look and listen and see what I want.
Nah, I can't lie, man. Listen, no. How can man just buy a chicken patty, blood? Yeah, I just bought a chicken patty. Everybody look on this. And look, I saw it flat down and I pulled it out. Look, that is in my patty, blood. Hold on, blood. Look at this. What the fuck is this about? I'm going right back to it, man. Look at that. I don't even want to touch it. I feel sick. Look like, what is that him? Look, it's up in my patty, blood. Look, bro. Look at that, blood. In my chicken patty, bro. Has anyone ever seen anything like this in their life? I'm going right back right now. Right back now, man. Jerk Centre. Monks Park, man. Can't believe you've done this. Can't believe it, man. Can't believe it. Look, it's come out of the patty. This is what it is, guys. Look, that was in my patty, blood. I don't know how did that end up in my patty. It looks like some condom, blood. It looks like some condom, guys. Look at that. Look at that. That came up. Be careful where you eat, guys, man. Be careful. I feel sick. We have to go in there. Darling, man. I feel sick, man. Look what came out of my patty, bro. That was in my patty, man. What is it? I don't know what that is in my patty, man. That was in it. I got a recording, I'll show you, man. What is that, man? I got a recording of it stuck in my patty, man. Are they handmade or are they imported? I feel sick, bro. That was in it, father.
How much?
That was in it, man. I recorded it, man. I'll show you it. It looked horrible. I'll show you the recording.
What's it cost? How much?
That was in it, man. I recorded it, man. I'll show you it. It looked horrible. I'll show you the recording.
What's it cost?
As you can see, I've just fast forward it. Basically, I've just been standing there for over 2 minutes. No sorry, yeah, no initiation on payment, no engagement, just left me standing there. So yeah, the next scene you're gonna see is me pointing at the patties and requesting my refund. Yeah, I need a chicken patty. That was it. Let me get a refund. A little refund. A little refund. A little refund. Thank you, my dog. Yeah. I haven't tried it yet. I'm gonna try it now. Okay then. Thank you.
Putting at the comment section how you're feeling. Anyway, people, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I suggest you do so. And hit the notification bell and press all there for you to be notified whenever I drop the latest. Bless.